Hello YouTube, this is the 2 Coolest 2. The storm has getting stronger. This winter storm update. Real strong. You see there's a white blanket. I'll head on outside. Let me just close my door. Ooh. This is some snow. If we look towards the light, you'll see it. Blowing snow. I can't show you over here because really the light just went out over here. I don't know if the city shut it off because the sun's coming out or it just went off due to the snow. I'm telling you, there's tons of snow all over the place. Ooh, it's chilly. Yeah, I'll take you out here. See more of it. See, we have a white blanket of snow. Even spread. I'll say 3 to 5 inches, 4 to 8. Oh, it's cold. Cold. Yeah. Snow is coming down now for an hour now, real heavy. So here's the most updated map I have. I'll show you the time, the map, the position right now. Okay, that position, that's the position of the storm right now. Now we're Richmond, which is Staten Island, and Brooklyn, Kings, where I am, is the only 2 cities, boroughs, where winter storm warning, because we're the most furthest south of the city, or closer to the storm. Here, I'll show you. Bear with me. It's hard to do this. The camera and a lot. Oh, stupid shit. Sorry. See that? Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna clear the screen. See it right there? You see them. This is winter weather advisory for the other boroughs because they're far away. Here, let's take you more in depth in here. Oh, it is a cold, cold day. Right now, it's 19 degrees. The wind chill is about 16. I'm sorry, 15. The hell is that? Guy in the car was like, what the hell he pointed the video camera for? But the snow is coming down hard now. Whew, it's so cold. See if you see some drifting snow. You hear the crystals hit against my laptop. You actually hear like clinging when they hit. Okay, YouTube, stay tuned. I have more updates on your way. This is the 2 Coolest 2. Stay tuned, more winter storm updates. Bye.